nauna nga sa listahan si Inay Candy Pangilinan at si Quentin. Si Quentin kasi nakakuha na po ng kanyang first job. Months na sa isang restaurant. Dito taga-serve po siya. Kwento rin ni Inay Candy, gumagawa rin po ng drinks. Diba? Pati nagmamop, naghuhugas ng pinggan. The whole 9 yards. Kaya talaga naman, napakagaling, napakahusay na ni Inay Candy for exposing Quentin in such environments, di ba? Dahil we want the best for our kids. Panoorin niyo yung kwento niya.
Nakakabahan ako kasi nung pinaghuhugas ng pinggan, kinakabahan ako kung ilan yung pinggan na mababasag, yung ganyan. Yung mga ganun bagay. Oo, di ba? But so far, he's doing very, very well. So, and he's very happy. Dati kasi parang 2 hours, 3 hours lang siya. Ngayon, he wants to stay there. I think lakpas na tayo sa awareness eh. Lakpas na tayo sa awareness. Nandun na tayo sa acceptance. We have to learn to accept. If the parents and the family do not accept kung ano yung problema, what more the people around us, diba? Doon na tayo eh. We are aware that there are autism, there's ADHD, neurodivergence, but are we ready to accept them to be part of our community, na makatabi natin, makausap natin?
Have to, di ba? That's the reality of things. Alam mo yung mga yung mga boomer, 'di ba? Yung mga elderly natin dati, in denial pa sila. Tas 'di ba, parang hindi nila gustong i-address to. Ngayon, it's so open. We're talking about it. We're working with them. Kung 'di ba, I hope what Miss Candy shows is something that we can encourage a lot of people and a lot of parents to talagang address this head on for a better society rin yan.
Bilib ako sa'yo, Candy.
Super.
Salute sa'yo. Nabasa ko yung libro mo. Sumali siya sa akin dati sa bazaar ko. Sumasama si Quentin.
Oo.
So, alam ko yung challenges. Hindi madali. Kaya, saludo ako sa'yo, Candy, sa pagmamahal na pinapakita mo kay Quentin. Hello, Quentin!
Hello, Quentin! Eto naman, syempre yung Hollywood saga naman tayo. Nanood ka na The White Lotus, di ba?
Ay, naku, dahil nga kay Papu.
Oo, nanood ka na
Nakwento
season
ko na ba
2?
sa'yo yung last 2
Oo.
episodes, bininge-watch niya? Tapos bumili siya ng mga polo
Oo.
na White Lotus pills. Ganun
Yes.
siya ka-addict
Grabe.
sa
So,
White
yung
Lotus.
season 2 nito, isa sa mga breakout stars, si Megan Fahey, nakausap ko dahil may bago siyang thriller movie. Ito na, mag-date night ba kayo ni Papu?
Horror eh.
Thriller, yan. Pero maganda siya. Kasi
Ako
nga
thriller
love story.
kaya. Okay,
Oo,
kaya. Okay.
Nakakatuwa siya kasi it's like a first date gone wrong. Kasi nga dahil nga sa mga digital intrusions, 'di ba? Kasama niya dyan si Brandon Sklenar na nasa movie ni Blake Lively, yung controversial.
Yung, alam ko na,
Oo.
yung Us,
It Ends With Us.
It Ends With Us.
Nandun
Us lang
siya.
talaga.
Si Brandon Sklenar, na napakagwapo rin. I'm sure mabubuk na naman to na napakaraming proyekto. But anyway, nag-premiere tong movie nung March sa South by Southwest Film Fest. But mataas yung reviews ito, 90%. So kung gusto nyo ng thrill ride, check nyo na itong Drop. At nakachikahan nga natin sila sa nafe-feel nila. Kasi nga, di ba, parang nawawala na yung totoong connection dahil cellphone tayo na cellphone, ba nakikipag-meet, nakikipag-usap, chumichika tayo, tumitingin online. Isa tong homage doon sa issue na yon, and they told this via the story na isang date rom-com thriller. Nakakatuwa.
Anong title?
Drop.
Drop.
Airdrop kasi. Drop. Go, go, go!
It affects everything we do. You know, I think it's unavoidable. Like, you have to put so much effort in now to not be just a victim of sipping his goddamn bone broth over here.
Wow, it's bone broth.
Yeah. Smells great.
I think that technology and phones, while making us more accessible and providing us with quite literally the answer to any question we could ask, in concrete reality at least, in history, I think that it's become a source of disconnection on a human level and a physical level for sure. I think people are getting used to saying things they can't say in person via text or
Yeah.
email,
Yep.
and it's making it harder for people to have difficult conversations. in
Yeah, less
person.
accountability.
Yeah. They're just thinking, I could say it in a text or an email versus like actually looking at this person in the face
Yeah.
and saying it. And that goes both ways, not even just saying difficult things, but just expressing yourself in general, authentically. I think people are more scared to do because they can project a version of themselves on social media that they want people to see. That is very, conscious, and there's no warts, there's no missteps. It's just,
Yeah.
And so to authentically present yourself, I think, is a lot scarier in this day and age, and therefore harder to connect.
Kaya dapat pag may pag-date tayo, 'di ba? Ang ating mga digital na demeanor at talagang dapat tayo cordial.
Yeah.
Oo, marunong tayo niya. But anyway, yung drop nakakaloka yung premise niyan. Ako syempre napanood ko na yan bago sila interviewin. Showing na yan in cinemas.
Worth watching. Even
Worth
for
watching.
Gen Xers like me and
yes,
Papu,
yes.
Oo.
Oo, maiisip mo si Tony.
Okay.
Oo,
Si
maiisip.
Tony lang invite ko.
Ay, ako, kayong dalawa na lang. Promise. Nakakatuwa, it's a thrill ride.
Pero Wednesday pa mapapalabas.
Hindi, ngayon na. Showing na.
Showing na.
Ongoing na.
Ay, sakto. Wala kaming gagawin sa Tuesday.
Correct.
Okay.
Ayan.
Invite
At
ko
sakto,
sila.
showing din to yung kay Kim Molina
Ay,
at
ito,
Gerald
papanoorin ko.
Napoles. Kung local film naman ang bet nyo,
Yeah.
an XU na pinagbibidahan nga ni Kim Molina at Gerald Napoles. At syempre, talagang todo kayod sila bago sila ikasal. 'Di ba? Real life couple, malapit na silang ikasal, guys.
Yeah.
So tungkol ito sa issues ng ilang babae, gaya ng pagkakaroon ng pamilya and deadlines, 'di ba? Yun. In fairness, wala raw pressure sa couple na ito na magkaroon agad ng baby. Very understanding at appreciative sila sa isa't isa. Pakinggan natin.
I asked Je kung after ba ng wedding, kailangan ko nang ibigay ko ano yung gusto niya kasi gusto niya na rin magka-baby. Pero meron din kasi si Je na ikaw, katawan mo yan eh. So, pakinggan mo kung ano yung gusto ng katawan mo. Kung ready ka na. I-bless siya sa atin ni Lord. I-bless siya sa atin.
We don't want to start a family with pressure. Parang gano'n na.
Yes,
Same thing.
yes.
Parang, I mean, kung may pressure na sa paggawa pa lang ng baby, pag pinanganakin, may pressure pa rin yun. Of course, kasi sinimulan na ng gano'n eh. Mahirap manganak eh. Siyempre. May 9 months yan. Bubunuin. You're starting a family. Of course, automatic, meron kang we want it to be perfect, but in God's plan, meron naman talagang nakalaan para sa.
Aww, bongga. Alam mo, nasa the first
Soulmates
family rin pala
talaga.
sila.
Oo.
Oo.
Diba si Gerard Napoles, dati sabi niya, kinukwento lang niya, hindi niya ma-imagine na makakatrabaho niya si Aga Mulak eventually
Oo.
kasi gusto lang niya, picture lang.
Correct. At
Deserve
hindi, in a
naman.
day daw, Bayani, Aga, and Roderick
correct.
Paulate.
Diba?
Oo.
Talagang dreams do come true. You'll never know.
And this weekend naman, si Kim Molina naman. Ay, grabe.
Yes, din. Tutuwa ako sa kanilang dalawa kasi napanood ko sila nung mag-BFGF pa lang sila sa Rock of AGs, oo. Yung sila pa lang mag-boyfriend girlfriend. Tuwan-tuwa ako na sila propose na, 'di ba? At I'm looking forward to their wedding day.
Ako din. I'm sure bonggang-bongga yan.
Katuwa.